The Harley pipes and motor put off a lot of heat that can make riding very uncomfortable at times. The mid-frame air deflectors are designed to mitigate some of that heat. In this video, I'll show you how I installed the mid-frame air deflectors on my Road Glide Special. The mid-frame air deflector mounts here below the seat, and what it does is block some of the heat from the engine and pipes from coming up on your leg. It's not standard on this 2017 Road Glide Special, so I had to order it and I'll install it. But there's a couple of interesting things about this, the parts that you get with this, and I'll look at that on the table. The mid-frame air deflectors come in two versions. One version is for 09 and later Touring and Trike, not compatible with CoolFlow Fan. And the other is 17 and later Touring and Trike with the CoolFlow Fan. The CoolFlow Fan is a fan that goes behind the rear cylinder and blows air down and back. I bought that version just in case I want to install that fan later on. So you get two pieces of plastic and 4 screws, washers, a couple of nuts, and a couple of clip nuts, speed nuts. Here's what's interesting about this nut that goes into the mounting plate. It operates like a hollow wall screw. You screw, the instructions say, put the screw and the washer in all the way, insert it into the hole, the hexagonal hole, and then tighten it down, and then remove the screw. So when you tighten it down, it's going to scrunch it up just like a hollow wall anchor and put it in place. And then you can install the deflector and that nut won't come out. So these speed clip nuts are just standard. They go into a hole and then you line it up with the hole that the screw goes through. Alright, the project is finished and there's the deflector installed on the right hand side. As most projects go, it took longer and was more difficult than I anticipated. It's difficult to video the installation of these deflectors. All you would have seen is the back of my head. So I'll walk you through the steps to follow to install these deflectors. First, remove the seat and the side covers. This will give you better access to the area where you install the deflectors. Second, remove the spark plug wire standoffs. The wires are installed in an area where the deflector is going to be. Next, put the bolt all the way into the special nut. Put it in the hex hole and be very gentle in tightening it. Now the instructions say 60 inch-pounds, but I think that's too much. I tightened it too much and the nut just went round and round in that hex hole. So just turn it between 1 and 2 turns to get it to stay put in the hole. Next, install the top bolt. Now on my Road Glide Special, you don't need these speed clips because the motor is too close to where they would be installed. What Harley has done is install nuts into the frame. So put the top bolt into the into the nut that's welded into the frame, and then put the bottom bolt in and be careful not to over tighten it. And finally, you clip the spark plug wire into the clip on the underside of the deflector. Then rinse and repeat, do it on the other side, and you'll be all set. Put the covers back on, put the seat back on, and you're done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click the thumbs up. I'd also like to know if you found the video useful and helpful. Please leave a comment. Thank you.